So I'm doing a bee removal. The bees are down here, entering in this rock area here. The homeowner says that they are just stacked on here. Nothing's cemented together, so I should just be able to unstack it. Probably find the bees inside of a cell of some cinder blocks that they're on top of. Remove them. I brought all my equipment. Got my homemade bee vac. I've got a table set up for framing up the brood, and then got a little nuke here to store them in. We'll see how it goes. I already smoked them, so now I'm just going to start taking things apart and see what I got to do with here. Of course, they're not going to be happy with me, but that's bees for you. And I recommend for the homeowner to keep I'll recommend to her to keep this open for a while so that the smell will dissipate on the colony and hopefully reduce the likelihood that another hive moves in.